Uploaded a video to YouTube but realized it's set to private and nobody can see it? Don't worry, it's a super easy fix, and I'll show you exactly how to switch your video from private to public in less than a minute, right from your PC. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more simple YouTube tutorials just like this one. Alright, here we go. First, open your browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure you're signed in to the account where your video is uploaded. Now, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Once you're inside the YouTube Studio dashboard, look on the left-hand side and click on Content. This will show you a list of all your uploaded videos, both public and private. Find the video that you want to change. Under the Visibility column, you'll see a label that says Private. Just hover your mouse over that word and you'll see a pencil icon appear. Click it. This opens the video details page. On the right-hand side under Visibility, you'll see three options: Private, Unlisted, and Public. Private means only you can see it. Unlisted means anyone with the link can view it. Public means everyone can find it on YouTube. Choose Public, then click Done, and finally hit Save in the top right corner. That's it. Your video is now live and viewable to everyone on YouTube. If this helped you fix your video visibility, be sure to like the video and subscribe. We post quick tutorials and YouTube tips every week to help creators like you. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.